We only have a few more hours left on the island, and we are spending it on a swing underneath what do I call that tree again? Is it Lignum Vitae or Poinciana? Can't quite remember. But I think it's Jamaica's national flower or something like that, yeah. Jamaica's national flower, Jamaican national tree, something like that, can't remember. But yeah man, we're up on a swing right underneath the tree. Get some cool breeze and enjoy the final few hours on the island of Jamaica. Yeah man, nice trip. Enjoy yourself, eat enough food, put on enough weight, and then we're going back to real life in the UK, because Jamaica is nothing but a dream. Ain't nothing real about living in Jamaica, right? Paradise. Died and gone to heaven. Jamaica. Love Jamaica. There's a few things that I wish we could have changed about the island, about the people, and about the culture. But let's face it, things don't change so easy. Even with knowledge and information, people are still, reluctant and resistant to change. So sometimes you just have to humble yourself. Even when you're used to something else, you're used to doing things a different way, in your perspective, a better way, and you would like to share that knowledge with people. Sometimes people are just quite ready for that yet still, you see it. So so many times you just have to fall back and just let people do them thing the way how them see fit. You dig? But yeah man, Jamaica is nice. Enough little problems left on the island and thing. Yeah, corruption, rife. The hotel staff don't treat you as a Jamaican the same way them treat tourists, aka European, aka white-skinned people. You'd believe say, yo, if you come back home, your own Jamaican family would have kind of, embrace you and treat you good, like welcome home. How long has it been since you've been away? Welcome home, and roll out that kind of red carpet for you. But yeah, the kind of slave mentality still exists. If you're black, you're not going to tip, and if you're black, you're not supposed to get certain levels of customer service. So that was one thing we kind of did annoy we at the hotel property. And for those of you who don't know, we stayed at Grand Bahia Principie in Runaway Bay. That's where we stayed. We spent 10 nights in the resort. And for the whole 10 nights that we stayed, there was, I don't want to tell a lie, probably 2 or 3 people that I deemed gave us good customer service, or that I would say are worthy of even getting a tip, honestly, of even getting a tip. That's how bad it was. It's as if every time you ask somebody to do them job, like you go to the bar and you ask somebody to, make you a drink, give me a rum and coke, give me a glass of water, whatever. It seems as if it's a bother, like you've disturbed them, like they were chilling out, they were relaxing, and you've just come and disturbed them peace, innit? Yeah, exactly. So that's the main complaint. The food, alright. Some vegan options always available. Of course, majority of the options are not vegan. But yeah, that was to be expected anyhow. So that's not a problem. Too much American food, too much meat. Some of the times the food don't taste fresh. Like they prepare something from the morning, and if it's not eaten, then put it out for lunch. And it's the same thing over and over. There isn't enough variety in the food, and there isn't enough Jamaican food choices, because, like, let's face it, when you come Jamaica, you come to experience Jamaica, you come to experience the food, the people, the music, the culture, all of that. You come here to get Jamaica. You don't come to Jamaica to eat American food. You don't come to Jamaica to eat Mexican food. You come here for Jamaica. So that's one of the things I think Grand Bahia Principie can improve on. The food selection, they need a wider selection of Jamaican food, and they probably need to use more produce that's grown in Jamaica, you know, rather than importing stuff from America. And I'm certain that a lot of the food probably contains GMO stuff, which is not cool at all, but you gotta eat, right? Yeah man, Jamaica, final few hours before I have to head back to the UK and face reality. Yeah, the reality like the bills. Make sure the bills them pile up on my doorstep and wait. But hey yo, that was Jamaica 2018. TJV, Jamaican Vegan, aka Jonestown. We're out.